John, and I've created Shipwise as a part of my take-home assignment. This is a flight management platform. This is an internal platform, and I was asked to create an admin, but not from public sign-up. And for that, I've written a script called createadmin.js, so I'll run that script. So I've set the credentials like the email and the password in the env file here. And so this is added. You can also check this in the user table. So I just added it right now. And after that, I will go and log in. So this is the admin dashboard that I was asked to create, where I can manage users and also add transporters. So I'll start off by trying to add a user. Let's try to add a user like user at example.com. I'll also show you the network stuff. So it's making a post request to this user endpoint. And you can see that this has been added. You can also check this in the dashboard. Sorry, Postgre dashboard. So I've connected this using Prisma, and the Postgre is running on a Docker container that is running in the background. So I'll also reload this. And you can see that two of the users came here. And after that, what? So I was asked to set like two functions for the admin, and that test is happening here. So you can see these are my route kit. This is my REST API for the admin, and there is a verify token function. Verify token function is a middleware that checks if the UID of the current user is that of an admin. If that is true, then it will go to the next function, which is my handler function. So this requires a role of admin, and then I can add the user. This requires a role of admin, I can get the users. So these are my checks that I've created according to the problem statement. So after that, I can also delete here. I'll show that later. So you can see that there is also a transporter management place here. So I'll do that. Let's try and add one. Let's say ABC Freight, something, the number. I have not added the checks yet on the front end. Let's say 2000 kg is the capacity, and you can see that I made a post request here and I got a new flight transport of it. This is also deletable, so you can also see this in the transporter table. I'll just added it. Yeah. So after that, you can also see this in the backend. These are also one console.logs. So this is for the user, and after that, this is my overview, and I can also log out using the functions from Firebase. This is my Firebase console, authentication console. And after that, let's try and log in as the management staff. So I just created one. So this is the admin dashboard. I have not yet matched the themes. So I can create a new grid here using using different types. So just let's say must have license. I'm setting a deadline here using this calendar. And let's say this is Pune and this is Kolkata and this is 2020 pounds. I'm sorry. Yeah, so this is kind of a suggested price that I created. So yeah, this one I added just now. Sorry, this one I just added right now. It's pending and it has three offers. So let's take the actions, and this is my bid details where all the offers will be there and I'll be able to accept them. I have not yet written the accept logic, but I can also close and delete the bid. So here is it is there. So I'll also log out from here. I'll go back to my admin dashboard. So in the user management table, I'm able to delete the user. Let's try and do that. So it's deleted, and you can also see this in the user table. Yeah, so it's deleted. So now I'll show you how I created the auth-based authentication. So I did this on the front end with React context. So I created this context auth provider uh, to store like the user roles with user roles, and if he's an admin or if he's not an admin, there is a logging logout function here that takes care of the token as well. So this context is then I've then wrapped the context here, and yeah. So the on the other hand, like I've also made these pages, the admin route, which is the dashboard, and the staff route, which is also the admin dashboard. I said staff dashboard. Sorry. So yeah, this is my. I've also set up the Firebase here. One second in the utils file. Yeah. So this is the project that I've created. I've still got some work to do on the front end part of the of the application, but this already this project was is well past beyond the deadline that you gave me. So I thought that I should submit it like whatever I've done up till now. Thank you.